Phuket, Thailand's largest island and one of the most diverse destinations of the world. Beyond the famous beaches and island views, Phuket is a place where tradition meets modern life. From the sacred temples of Wat Chalong to the lively streets of Old Town, Phuket offers more than just a tropical escape. It's a destination shaped by culture, faith, and energy. In this video, I will be exploring Phuket beyond the resorts and parties, taking you through its streets, temples, and of course, my favorite restaurant. We started our journey from Krabi to Phuket by cab. We booked a Grab for 3 of us and it costed us about 1,800 baht. You can also reach Phuket by ferry. The ticket costs about 500 baht per person and the boat leaves from the Ao Nang Pier. For both the journeys, it takes about 3 to 4 hours. We started at 8 am and reached Phuket around 10:30 am. On our way, we enjoyed some coffee and snacks and also took a pit stop at the gas station. Here we had some grilled bananas and they were really delicious. Tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos and hit the like button if you are enjoying this video. So I'm all set to have lunch at my favorite restaurant, Din Tai Fung, and my mom is very excited because she always wanted to eat there. I'll show you guys what all I'm having, and after lunch we plan to go to Wat Chalong temple and explore the old town as well, and later on maybe in the evening or night we might hop on to Bangla Street. So the restaurant is inside the mall called Jungle Ceylon and it's on the ground floor itself. Just get inside and keep walking straight and you will see Din Tai Fung. So we've arrived. Here you can see them making the very famous Jialong Bao. This is where they make. So what we have on the table is a mango smoothie and of course the legendary Jialong Bao. We have the pork with shrimp spicy wonton noodles, and of course you saw the Jialong Bao. We have a dipping sauce for the prawns and chives spring roll. We also ended up ordering the fried rice. This is the egg fried rice and it is my favorite. So you soak out the juice out of the dumpling from the Jialong Bao. That's how you eat it. Then you have the soup. So after a crazy, yummy-licious lunch, we're now headed to the Wat Chalong temple. It's around 40 minutes from the Patong Beach area. And after the temple, we will be going to the old town, spend some time there, and at night we would be hopping on the Bangla Road.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
So we've arrived at the Wat Chalong temple. It's a bit far from Patong, as I mentioned. Took us 45 minutes to reach here. and I'm just showing you guys the inside of the temple. Beautiful flowers. These are the god statues, and there's the Buddha behind. There's a donation box here, and I think these guys are doing something with regards to, I think, reading their fortune. I'm not sure. I'll ask. So a big mistake I made, and that is to not cover my shoulders and come to a temple. So in any temple you visit within Thailand, you need to cover your shoulders and knees. That's the rule, and it is applicable only for females, which I don't understand why is it gender biased, but nevertheless men can still come in shorts, but for women that is the rule. But unfortunately I did not, or rather I would say I forgot to get a jacket, or I forgot to wear a shirt. So mom has gone inside and I'm just waiting for her here.
Sounds right.
So in total there are about 3 to 4 temples inside the entire area that you can visit, and each temple has its own significance and god to worship. The other temple which I could enter, I showed you guys, there was the Buddha and there was some other god. So you can also buy flowers and some incense sticks to offer inside. It costs around 40 to 50 baht. So we are now at Old Town in Phuket, and we've come here to see the colorful streets and maybe to shop a bit. This place looks vibrant though, and there are too many people around.
Sounds right.
There are a lot of shops in Old Town, so just in case you want to shop here for clothes, any accessories, or any sort of jewelry, you can definitely come here. I'm not that keen into shopping right now, so I'm skipping it.